Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures right from the start. At SQL School, we are strongly committed to provide the best possible training services for the last 18 years, working with various MNCs. In our Power BI course, one of the trending courses from our school, what we learn, what this Power BI is about. Let's have a small introduction here. Power BI. It is a reporting and big data analytical platform. Box number 6 in our course catalog. This Power BI includes 6 design tools, development tools. Good user interface, no problems. Very sweet and straight. 2 hosting environments, cloud and report server, Power Query, DAX, and big data analytics. In our classes, we'll be understanding what are those 6 different tools, how to work with them from scratch, right from the very basics. We'll do it right from the very basics, we'll start learning it. What is Power BI basically? Yes, it is, I said, a reporting or analytical tool. Yes, what we do is a suite of tools to design reports and perform big data analytics. We take the data to the customer hands in a beautiful, colorful way. We design something called dashboards. We format the data. We get the data ready for end user reporting. We also call it self-service BI. A sample report we are going to generate in our classes, initial 2 to 3 classes. A simple way we'll be generating reports something like this. Max 3 to 4 classes, initial classes. This particular complete Power BI full packed course, a 4 weeks learning process, 2 more weeks you need to invest for the project work, or you may go for the on-demand videos wherein you can have module-wise registrations. There are total 3 modules for Power BI. The entire 4 weeks course is divided into 3 different modules. Live training, single shot, on-demand videos, 3 different installments. That's how it is carefully planned with 50 plus examples on DAX, 50 plus examples on something called Power Query, and another 50 plus examples on Power BI service cloud. Good amount of hands-on, right from the scratch, right from the basics, right from installation. We'll start our classes from very start, very basics until the project work. Bit detailed keyword wise curriculum you see on the screen. We already posted the elements on the website sqlschool.com. You may attend 1 or 2 live demo classes to understand more about this course content, more about the curriculum, and we'll slowly proceed from there. Based on your resume, you may opt for only Power BI course or Power BI front end, data engineer, back end. Of course, SQL Server Transact SQL required. Basics should be fine. It is required. Why? Yes, SQL Server Transact SQL gives us information about queries, handling databases, and those we are going to use them in Power BI, DAX, Power Query, and even certification guidance. You may plan for core Power BI, PL300 exam guidance part of the course, or paired with data engineering, you have DP500 certification guidance part of the course. So where we start with? Learn SQL queries. You are already aware of them. Revise them, please. Basics should be fine. Then step into Power BI. Do at least 1 or 2 capstone projects, part of our course. Then I'll be guiding you, I'll be helping you to craft your resume step by step. For more details, you may reach us on my number directly for career guidance or any other kind of technical questions, or reach our team for free demo on this number. With this information, we'll stop here and meet you soon, catch you soon in our actual live demo class and the actual classes. Thank you so much. Once again, assure you complete practice oriented lectures right from the scratch, right from the basics. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon. Thank you.